Hi guys, awesome day today. Just chilling out by the docks, just by the Excel. Excel's just there, guys, just there. I'm just sitting on these seats here, just chilling out. Glorious day. Somebody's been nicked on that bridge over there for some reason. I don't know why. Just absolutely just chilling out here. What a glorious day. That's where I live, way yonder there, those flats over there. Yeah, that's the Millennium Mills that you can see from the docks. And got Canary Wharf and that just right down at the bottom end there. Yeah, I've just come out on my electric bike. It's an amazing bike, really. It's awesome. I just love this bike. It's got me little saddles there, put all my stuff there, got me food, my camera gear and stuff like that. And I've got the basket there, that's Lucy's basket. But she's stayed in today because she's had worming tablets today, so I'll just give her an easy day today. Yeah, it's got two batteries this. It's got a battery on here. It's got a battery on here, supposed to be doing 100 miles, I think. And I mean, I don't even do anywhere near that, really. I only do a few miles a day. Well, not a day. When I take her out, really, I just poodle around. If I'm not doing anything tomorrow, I'll probably go to Dover tomorrow, guys, and go to St Margaret's Bay or beach near Dover. It's supposed to be quite pretty there, but I just had a late start this morning. I was going to go, I turned back, I jumped in the car, but it was 11:30 already. But I'd like to go in the morning, but tomorrow's supposed to be rainy tomorrow, so I don't mind a bit of rain. So if I'm not doing anything tomorrow, guys, I might go shoot down there and see what it's like. It's absolutely glorious today. The sun's not too hot, so you know I don't like it too hot. It just feels so nice, just sitting there, just soaking the rays. Absolutely beautiful. You know where I am, just City Airport's just there, guys, so I'm not far from the City Airport. So you actually go towards the Excel and you can I'm not sure there's these hotels here, so you might be able to park, but they're building the extension of their Excel. They've put another bit to it. It's quite large, actually. So before you could literally walk or cycle right around the side of the Excel, but they've closed it off because of the construction. So yeah, so I'll have to jump onto the main road, go around the buildings site there, and jump to the back roads where all the delivery lorries. That's it. Trying to get my tongue around that. Delivery lorries do all the deliveries to the Excel. I found it really hard to get my tongue around that. It's the tablets I'm on, guys. Beautiful, isn't it, really? What a waste of water. Let's have a look at this water. I used to jump in there when I was a kid. I used to come from after school, and we used to jump up that way, that direction. I used to just jump in. But now he's too scared. But they do swim here. They do the triathlon and all that. They do the canoeing. It's a shame there's not a lot of. This should be busy, teeming with school kids. But obviously, there's no funds, is there, in the schools to take them out for day trips. It's quite breezy. So it's lovely. You've got the sun rays, and you've got this breeze with it. It's so nice. Very strong. Yes guys, my new adventure is to get a van now, a actual van, so I can go camping in it. So not a very big van, not a stand-up van. It's going to be like a small transit sort of thing. So it's only for the weekends and stuff like that, for a few days. I'm not going to be living in it, but just to get away. And sometimes, you know, sometimes you just want to stay there, and you just think, I wish I could stay there, but you can't. You got, especially if you've got Lucy with you. You've got to find a friendly B&B or something like that. When you've got a dog, it gets a bit complicated. But if you get yourself a van, you can just literally stay out there as long as you like, really. And it's free once you've got the van. The car just sits in the garage, and I'm thinking I'm not making much use of it. It's a small little B-class Mercedes I've got, and it's not really making much use of it. I love all that videos, van life videos, guys, and people living in vans and stuff like that. Take my hat off to them, really. Things are getting so expensive. You've got to think in those sort of ways to save money. Go in the van, do your shopping in the van, and have your weekends out in the van. Love all that picnic stuff and camping, and that's mine. My aim for the summer next year is literally, I should have a van. I'll get rid of my car and get myself a van, and hopefully, cross fingers, hopefully from now till Christmas, that's what I'm going to do, start saving up for a van. Anyway guys, we'll catch you on the next video. Here you go, this the Millennium Mills. That's the back entrance of the. I was over there, the XL earlier on, right the other corner. I've literally gone round the back and drove my bike, and we're round the back. They're building apartments now, absolutely loads of it.